me. Out of darkness comes light, twilight to the heights, cloud lights are burning up all through the twilight. So thank you to my God, I finally got it right. I fight with all my heart, my soul and all my might. It's this feeling, my love of me, bold in the ceiling. Give myself to you, for the essence of my being, and I sing to my God. Songs of love and healing, I want she out now. Time starts to beating, what's the speeding? My love of me, bold in the ceiling. Give myself to you, for the essence of my being. I sing to my God. Songs of love and healing, I want she out now. Strip away the layers, reveal your soul. Give yourself up and then you become whole. Slave to yourself, they don't even know. Wanna live the fast life, but your brain moves slow. Try to stay high, you're bound to be low. You want God, but you can't inflate your ego. You're already there, then there's no place to go. Your cup's already full, it's bound to overflow. Drowning in the water, you can't stay afloat. Ask Hashem for mercy, he'll do you a wrong. You're looking for help from God, you say he couldn't be found. Searching up to the sky and looking beneath the ground. Like a king that got his crown, you keep falling down.
Party rockets in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time, and we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Party rockets in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time, and we gon' make you lose your mind. We just wanna see you shake that.
Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind, thinking I can see through this and see what's behind. Got no way to prove it, so maybe I'm lying. But I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Take a look in the mirror, and what do you see? Do you see it clearer, or are you deceived in what you believe? 'Cause I'm only human after all, and you're only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Some people got real problems. Some people like love.
Marilyn Manson.